Is your Windows desktop a sea of blank white squares, making it impossible to find what you need? Don't worry, we've got a quick and easy fix to bring back your colorful and functional desktop icons. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Hover your mouse over View. Make sure that Show Desktop Icons is checked. If it's not, click on it to enable it. For the next step, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the Open field, type exactly this %local AppData% and then press Enter or click OK. You'll now be in a folder called Local. Scroll down and find a folder named iconcake_128db. This is the file that stores your icon information. Right-click on the iconcake_128db file and select Delete. Don't worry, Windows will automatically rebuild this file with default icons once it's deleted. Close File Explorer. Now, we need to refresh your desktop. Right-click on your desktop again and click on Refresh. You can also press the F5 key on your keyboard. And there you have it. Your desktop icons should now be back to normal, making your computer a joy to use again.